In this video, I will show you how to read and reply to WhatsApp messages from your lock screen on iPhone. So if you want to read and reply WhatsApp images from your iPhone lock screen, then this is what you need to do. So let's say you have this message in here, and right now, as you can see, we can read it. And when we click on this, we can also reply to this message. So if you want this too, then I will show you how you can do this. So first of all, we're going over to our settings, and from our settings, we are going to scroll down, and there we are going to click on notifications. And from our notifications, we're going to scroll down again, and there we're going to scroll until we find WhatsApp. So let's click on WhatsApp in here. And now you need to have allow notifications turned on like I have it right now. And then down below, we will see show previews. And when we click on this, so in here, you need to be sure that you have this set to when unlocked or to always. Because if you have set this to never, then you will never see a preview of a WhatsApp message. And then you won't see it in your lock screen like I have it in here. So in order to have this, you need to click on when unlocked or always. And when you have done that, you will be able to get these messages. And when you have done that, you will be able to get messages from WhatsApp in your lock screen, and you can also reply to them. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.